In this video, I will show you how to play Mostbet in Telugu. Before we continue, I advise you create a professional Mostbet account. To do that, click on register, choose the phone or email address option or advise the email address, and then you choose your country. Once you choose your country, choose your currency US dollar, fill in your email address and your password. When you come down to the promo code box, you use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, Mostbet is going to give you up to 400 US dollars as your first deposit bonus. Once you use the promo code Renzo TV, click on confirm. Once that is confirmed, the promo code is going to be applied. Fill in every other detail and then click on register. Now that you've created your account, let's continue. So the first thing is you convert your language to Telugu as you've seen it on my screen right now. So my Mostbet is in Telugu. So to play Mostbet, you have to come out to sports and you can choose pre-games. So you come out to pre-games, here are the various pre-games you can play on. So you can filter out to football, tennis, or anyone that you want to play. So I come back to football, I can choose a match. So let's say for instance, I take a match like Bologna and Monaco. So if I click on W2, then I'm betting for Monaco to win. If I click on W1, then I'm betting for Bologna to win. So if I choose the option and go ahead with it, all I have to do is to put in the amount or increase the amount that I want to bet. So the more amount I bet, the more I can earn from Mostbet. And that's how to play Mostbet in Telugu.